Okay, let's get one thing straight. You've heard of ChatGPT, right? But what if I told you there's another AI out there that's seriously changing the game and you're probably sleeping on it? Today, we're giving you the ultimate insider's guide to Claude AI. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this. So, real talk. Is ChatGPT starting to feel a little basic? The very first time I used Claude, my brain literally short-circuited. I mean, we are talking about answers that are way smarter than a Google search and coding help that feels like you have a senior developer on speed dial 24/7. It's a whole different vibe. So, who's the mastermind behind this thing? Meet Claude AI. It's built by a company called Anthropic. And get this, it was started by a bunch of ex-OpenAI people who basically looked around and said, you know what? We can build this better and safer. Now that's what I call a glow up. Okay, so what is all the hype about? Let's get right into it. Time for the vibe check. By the end of this part, you'll know exactly what makes Claude tick. Let's do this. Claude's whole deal is built on three simple but honestly super powerful ideas. Be helpful, be honest, and be harmless. It's kind of like having an AI that not only has a massive brain, but also a conscience. No drama, no weird answers, just straight up results. It's a complete game changer. All right, time for the main event. In a world that's packed with AIs, is Claude just another face in the crowd? Or is it actually the real deal? Let's put it to the test and see if it's the level up we've all been hoping for. So here's the tea. If you're looking to generate some insane images or videos, yeah, ChatGPT is probably still your go-to. But, and this is a big but, for creative writing that actually hits different and for code that just works, Claude is the undisputed winner. It just has this extra layer of polish, you know? Okay, pro tip coming at you. Not all Claude models are created equal. There are three distinct power levels, and knowing which one to pick is the secret to totally dominating with this tool. So let's check out the arsenal. First up, we've got Haiku. Think of this one as the speed demon. It's ridiculously fast, it's cheap to use, and it's perfect for those times you need a quick answer, like 5 minutes ago. Next in the lineup is Sonnet. This is your all-rounder. It's got the perfect balance of speed and brain power, which honestly makes it your go-to for pretty much anything. Writing, coding, you name it. Consider this your new daily driver. And finally, we have Opus. This is the final boss. No joke. This is the most powerful, most intelligent model in the entire lineup. When you're facing a really complex problem, or you absolutely need the best possible answer, this is your secret weapon. So here's the game plan. Start with Sonnet for all your day-to-day stuff. If you hit a wall and you feel like you need more horsepower, that's your signal to level up to Opus. See? Simple. Let's be real. There's nothing more annoying than getting a totally useless, garbage answer from an AI. But it's usually because of a few classic rookie mistakes. Don't worry, we're about to put you on game and show you exactly how to fix that. Okay, mistake number one is being way too vague. You type in something like explain AI, and you get back an answer that could literally put you to sleep. It's like asking for a movie recommendation and just getting a link to all of Wikipedia. It's completely useless. Now watch this. We just had a little bit of context. Explain AI to a 10-year-old in the context of healthcare. And boom, all of a sudden, the AI knows exactly what you want. The result is like 1,000 times better. Remember this, context is king. And here are a few more beginner traps you've got to avoid. First, don't ask for a million things in one prompt. Second, always double-check for AI hallucinations. That's when it just makes stuff up. Also, don't bring the wrong tool to the job by using Haiku for a task that needs Opus. And please, please use the projects and styles features. They're literally there to make your life easier. All right, you've officially leveled up from beginner to intermediate. Now it's time to go pro. We're about to drop some serious knowledge bombs, the kind of stuff that the experts don't really want you to know. You're definitely not going to want to miss this part. First things first, Claude's context window is absolutely massive. We're talking 1 million tokens. To put that in perspective, that's like being able to upload the entire Harry Potter book series at once and then ask it to write you a brand new chapter. It's an absolute game changer if you're working with huge documents. Okay, here are a few secrets from the pros. First, use what's called iterative prompting. Basically, get a first draft and then ask it to tweak and polish it. Don't expect perfection on the first try. Second, if you're using a really long document, stick the most important info at the very beginning or the very end. And for all you coders watching, you have to try the artifacts feature. It'll change your life.
So we've given you the knowledge, we've given you the secrets. Now it's time to actually do something. In this last section, we're going to give you a super simple step-by-step game plan to get you started with Claude, like right now.
Look, it could not be easier. Step 1, go to Claude AI and sign up for a free account. Step 2, send your first prompt. Just say hello, who cares? Step 3, find some random PDF or document on your computer and upload it just to test out its brain. And step 4, create your first project. It'll help you keep all your chats organized from day 1. Look, if you forget everything else from this explainer, just remember these 3 things. Number 1, Claude is an absolute beast for text and for code. Number 2, your prompts are everything. Be specific. And number 3, when you're in doubt, just start with Sonnet. It's your best friend. So here's the bottom line. AI is moving at the speed of light. The people who are taking the time to master these tools right now are the ones who are going to be winning big time in the future. So the only real question is, are you going to be one of them? So what's the very first thing you're going to ask Claude? Drop it in the comments. We want to know. And hey, if this was helpful, do us a favor and hit that like button. Now go out there and build something amazing.